Hey, what's up guys? This is the latest addition to the OnePlus lineup, the OnePlus NORD, and in this video we'll be checking out what many users have been reporting, that they are facing a green tint issue in the display of this OnePlus NORD. So we'll be checking out whether this issue is actually persisting or not, and if it is persisting, then whether you should worry about this or not. Now before we move ahead, if you have landed new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button along with pressing the bell icon beside it so that you never miss an awesome tech update from my side. The OnePlus NORD ships with a gorgeous Full HD 1080p fluid AMOLED display which refreshes at 90Hz. Now this display is HDR10 certified and also supports Widevine L1. So why are the users facing such an issue? Well, let us first check whether we are able to see any kind of tinting issue while decreasing or increasing the brightness as reported by many users in well-lit conditions. So as you can see, when we are decreasing the brightness at about the level of 50%, we can see a slight amount of color shift in the AMOLED panel. Now let us test it out in complete darkness. Doing the same thing with the Chrome browser on a dark background on the AMOLED panel. Yes, we can see a considerable amount of tinting issue or the color shift when we are trying to decrease the value below 50% and approximately up to 10%. So in the camera we can actually notice the tint on the AMOLED panel, but with our normal eyes we can hardly notice it. And also to consider it in the well-lit conditions, you will hardly be able to notice any kind of tint or any kind of color shift on the AMOLED panel. Now let me tell you guys, this is not any kind of hardware issue, or this is not the fault of the AMOLED panel. This is actually a software issue which can easily be fixed by OnePlus by providing a software update. Let me explain you how. If you notice, whenever you pull down your notification shade or notification panel, the background application color or the wallpaper color changes to a lighter shade. Now this is basically happening because a translucent layer is being overlaid on the background wallpaper or whichever application is opened in the background. So when this translucent wallpaper is getting imposed with the background application's color, then a different kind of tint may occur, and depending upon the varying brightness, whenever we are decreasing the brightness of the AMOLED panel, then this color shift may happen. So this shifting of the tint is basically due to the software which is trying to decrease the brightness of the AMOLED panel and not the fault of the AMOLED panel. You may also notice that whenever we are trying to change the screen refresh rate to a lower refresh rate, that is at 60Hz, then this tint is reducing to a considerable amount. So we can assume that the tint is more noticeable at a higher refresh rate of the screen, and it is less noticeable when the refresh rate is normal, that is at 60Hz. So I believe this is not a major issue and the users should not worry about it a lot, and this can easily be fixed by OnePlus in a future update. Moreover, such kind of tinting issue has already been seen on Samsung's Galaxy S9 and the OnePlus 8 Pro, which was easily fixed by software update, and so you do not need to worry about the tinting of the panel. So that is all for this video guys. If you have not checked out the unboxing of the pop-up box that was provided to me by OnePlus, then go ahead and click on the card above and you will also get the link to that unboxing video in the description. Make sure to check it out as well. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to leave behind a like for this video and also share this video with all your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.